Spatial Data Consultants is a small, native North Carolina geospatial and geomatics consulting firm.
What's special about the mdLiDAR3000? We just released it partnering with Spatial Data Consultants earlier this year. Some of the great features of this system is a fully integrated solution from start to finish. When you plan your mission in MD Cockpit, fly it in MD Cockpit, as well as process your data and produce in your georeference point cloud in our mdLiDAR software.
Once on site, fly the mission, usually pretty event-free. If you have a mission that is larger than a single uplift, it's fairly easy to return to the mission that you had planned. It takes multiple batteries. More or less, you bring the vehicle back, swap batteries, you can put it right back in the sky where you left off with your mission. And once that's done, we pretty much box everything up and head back to the shop.
What we've done here with our mdLiDAR3000 payload is pretty groundbreaking stuff. What our mdLiDAR team in Montreal has done has been able to integrate all of these pieces into one fully integrated workflow that allows you to get feedback from the sensor real time when you're flying. We're actually manipulating the sensor in the air by the drone, so at the beginning and end of each flight line, you're turning off and on the sensor.
One of the things we really enjoyed about MD Cockpit is the ease of use of the software. Another thing that we enjoy about the software is the real-time feedback that we get through the telemetry from the vehicle while it's in flight. We have an understanding of what the payloads are actually doing. We have the understanding of what the scanner is actually doing in the moment as well, if it's working as it should. We also get feedback from the IMU and whether or not it's responding the way it should.
It's great for Microdrones to partner with a company like Spatial Data Consultants because they've been producing quality data from manned aircraft for many years.
Where Microdrones really stands above the rest in the industry is, first of all, their development team absolutely knows what they're doing. Their attention to detail and their support and responsiveness is absolutely their best attributes. We are looking forward to working with Microdrones in the future.